Shein has been under fire for multiple reasons across the years, right? Starting from stealing products, stealing designs, stealing anything and everything that works on TikTok, to employing child labor in their supply chain, to making cheap products which are detrimental to the society by contributing to the fast fashion, by exploiting labor, by exploiting anybody and everybody that they could in the process of trying to make money for themselves. But recently what has happened is that Shein has been under fire for allegedly selling sex dolls which resemble kids in the market, and the European Union have taken an action against these guys for actually selling sex toys that look like young kids and promoting what is anywhere in the world in a rampant, especially with the Epstein file out and all these rich people doing whatever they can with kids, prostituting them, raping them, killing them, eating them, and any sorts of brutality that is and one can do, and not being prosecuted for it or not being arrested for it. Now it feels like people have started to get a free pass to do as and when as they please. Toys resemble kids are of course marketed at people who would like to try to do things on kids but cannot do it, right? It becomes even more problematic because under capitalism you can sell anything and get away with it until and unless there are laws which are protecting these kids. Then these kids become the manifestation of the larger fantasy that people have but cannot explore, but because they do not have the money or the ability to access children like those in power would do. Also the idea that because people who have been on the Epstein file nothing really has come out of it, nothing really has happened to them. Now these companies selling products like this makes it feel like even a common man can do something like that. Even a common man can fulfill fantasies that one is supposed to actually not have. It is also capitalizing on not only the vulnerability of the child but also on the idea that these fantasies are legitimate and there's a product that could fill this fantasy which shouldn't actually exist in the first place.